Yes, I have landed on the Angry Bird Island. Or whatever it is. In my universe, it's called the the Angry Bird Space Universe. We don't have islands. We just have like asteroids and spaceships. I think it's called Bird Island. I forget. I heard there's these pigs that want to see me, so I'm gonna go to their island. Hello, Super Red. Hi. So, we want you to team up with us. Yeah, and we need to destroy the bird. Super Red. Yeah, pigs. King Pig told us to set off fireworks because you're a new guest. Yeah. Okay. Wait, I hear something. Wait, who the heck are you? I am Super Red, and I've come to destroy the birds. Wait, where are the birds? And you're not destroying us. You're not destroying me. Ha ha ha. These pathetic little birds. I can beat you up in a matter of seconds. No, you won't. Yeah, I will. Oh no, it might have to do something with the pigs. Yes, I've teamed up with the pigs to attack you guys. Oh my gosh, everybody jump out of the way. I don't even want to be near those pathetic birds anyway. This definitely has to do something with the pigs. Yeah, me too. I think that also. Yeah, because the pigs don't like us. They steal our eggs. Yeah. What if we just explode them with my powers? Well, all of us don't have your powers, but we gotta try to find those pigs. Oh, Super Red, you're back. Hi, pigs. Where's King Pig? He's somewhere. Okay. Yes, Super Red. I have found the birds, and their flock. Okay. I will try to send my pigs to attack them. Okay. Yes, indeed. You should. I actually know where the birds are. They're on Bird Island. Yes, I would have thought that. Yeah, let's go there. Yeah. We're here on Bird Island, but I don't seem to see them. I think I know where they are. One sec. I know where they are. You guys aren't gonna get me. Guys, I thought I told you. I'm way powerful than you think. No, you're not. Super Red, you're not defeating me. Oh, yes, I will. Wait, what's happening? You're not defeating us, King Pig. Oh, yes, I will. You don't know how powerful me and Super Red are as a team. Shut up, you fat pig. Pigs, attack! How dare you speak to King Pig like that? I don't care. Guys, I wonder where Red is. Yeah, I wonder where he is. This isn't good. The pigs are here still. Oh my gosh, is Red alive? I don't know. But he might not be. Hey, can you bring my friend Red back to life? No, but I think I know somebody that can. He's kind of a bird, but we're friends with him. Yeah, but we can still team up with you. It's you, birds. Oh my gosh, it's you, Super Red? Yes, and I have come to destroy you still after 10 years. Oh my gosh, how could you do that? Because I have come to destroy you guys and I will not stop. But I just came here to revive him. Well, that pig was actually lying. He could bring him back to life. Oh yeah, by the way, I can actually revive him. One sec. It will be ready in a few hours. Let me just go in my hut so nobody thinks it's suspicious. Wait, is that Bomb? Oh wait, is that you, Blue? Yeah. Wait, so you're Bomb? Yeah. We haven't seen each other in like 10 years. Yeah, I know, it's crazy. I heard Super Red's still around, I saw him. You guys were talking about me? Ha ha ha. Oh no! Blue, we gotta hurry up and use our powers. Yeah. I'm just gonna attack him. And now I can use my powers. Oh no, Red! Wait, you were gonna revive Red? Yeah, I just came here to do that. And Red was in there. Oh, I think we're done, but he might be smushed a little. Yeah. Wait, it's you guys? Yeah, it's me and Blue. Hi, Red. I can't believe I'm back to life. What even happened? I forget. We don't know, but Super Red did something to you. It feels kind of weird, only seeing Super Red in the past 10 years. I've never seen a bird other than Super Red in 10 years. Yeah, it's just kind of unusual because we always attack him. Shut up, dumb pig. Okay. Yeah, it seems kind of unusual for the bird because we took their eggs. Oh yeah, they got their eggs back. Wait, what? But it's kind of unusual that they're just not attacking us, like they always do. King Pig, I said it wrong. Sorry. I have come back and I found those birds. Oh my gosh! Yeah, it's kind of unbelievable. I have found them after 10 years. Finally. Wait, what? Yeah, it took so long. And also, King Pig, the birds want to fight us. Well, then we're gonna fight them back. Yeah. Yeah, that sounds like a good idea. Birds were here. You finally came back after 10 years. I haven't seen you guys in a while. Yeah, and Oh no. Ah! I'm too powerful for you, Super Red. After 10 years, I practiced for this. Wait, why isn't that working? Your powers are too weak for me, Super Red. You're gonna get exploded today. Why? Because my name is Bomb. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. It's been 10 years. Okay, well, that's pretty good that you forgot because... It's not over, birds. Wait, I'm getting stuck back into the Angry Birds space universe. It's not over, birds. King Pig, you're dead. No, I'm not. Pigs, calm. You guys are gonna get attacked. Ow! Hey! Hey! Good thing I got way more pigs than that. Oh, no you don't, King Pig. Oh my gosh! Wait, so what was Super Red trying to do? I think he was trying to destroy our verse, so the pigs would go into their verse and get more powerful, and then they'll find us in like 1,000,000 years, and then we'll be weaker and they'll be stronger, and they'll be able to defeat us after 1,000,000 years. Really? They really want to attack us, probably. Yeah. Yeah, they probably do. Yeah, I agree with Red.